In a world full of generic, forgettable crossovers, the 2026 CX-50 comes with a full load of things that make it special. If you're frustrated by how every Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, and Subaru Forester feels like the exact same vehicle with different badges, the CX-50 is solving that problem by actually letting you pick the powertrain that matches your priorities. While competitors are simplifying their lineups and removing options, Mazda is going the opposite direction with premium materials, standard all-wheel drive, and driving dynamics that make this crossover feel more like a $50,000 luxury vehicle than a mainstream SUV. Big tech updates. Technology in the 2026 CX-50 is getting serious attention from Mazda engineers. The most significant update comes with the infotainment system. Previously, base models were stuck with an 8.8-inch screen that felt cramped and outdated. That's history now. Every single 2026 CX-50, regardless of trim level, is getting the larger 10.3-inch display as standard equipment. Smartphone integration is going wireless across the entire lineup. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work without cables, eliminating the clutter. The system supports touchscreen functionality too, giving drivers the choice between using the rotary controller or touching the screen directly. Amazon's Alexa voice assistant is now baked into every model. This means hands-free control over navigation, music, smart home devices, and more. 4 USB-C ports come standard, ensuring passengers in both rows can keep devices charged. Wireless phone charging is expanding throughout the range. Previously reserved for top trims, for 2026, every trim except the base Select gets the wireless charging pad as standard. But all this technology doesn't mean much if you're stuck with an underpowered engine or terrible fuel economy, which is exactly where Mazda's powertrain strategy becomes the real game changer. Broad powertrain range. Here's where the CX-50 separates itself from nearly every rival. Mazda is offering 3 completely different powertrain options, giving buyers choices that competitors simply can't match. Honda CR-V, hybrid or turbo 4. Toyota RAV4, hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Subaru Forester, hybrid or naturally aspirated flat 4. The CX-50 covers every niche with a naturally aspirated engine, a turbocharged power plant, and a hybrid system. No other compact SUV provides this level of diversity. The base powertrain uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. It's naturally aspirated, which means reliability and simplicity. This engine doesn't need premium fuel, doesn't have turbo components that can fail, and delivers smooth power delivery. Fuel economy reaches 25 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway, which is respectable for a vehicle with standard all-wheel drive. In testing, the naturally aspirated CX-50 hit 60 miles per hour in 8.5 seconds. Buyers wanting more performance can step up to the turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. This engine puts out 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when running on premium fuel, though it still makes 227 horses on regular unleaded. The turbo transforms the CX-50 into one of the quickest compact SUVs available, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 7.0 seconds. That's faster than the CR-V and quicker than the RAV4. Towing capacity jumps to 3,500 pounds with the turbo, making it a genuine option for weekend adventures. The fuel economy penalty for choosing the turbo is minimal, just 2 miles per gallon in the city and 2 miles per gallon on the highway. You're getting significantly more power without destroying your fuel budget. Both gas engines pair with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which may seem old school, but Mazda tuned it to shift quickly and smoothly. Turbo models get paddle shifters for manual control. Then there's the hybrid. Mazda partnered with Toyota to bring a proven 2.5-liter hybrid system to the CX-50, combining a 4-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors for 219 horsepower combined. The hybrid delivers impressive efficiency: 39 miles per gallon city, 37 miles per gallon highway, 38 miles per gallon combined. Range reaches approximately 580 miles on a single tank, which is exceptional for a vehicle with standard all-wheel drive. So Mazda nailed the powertrain options, but what about the actual experience of sitting in and looking at this vehicle every day? Elegant and luxurious. Walk up to the 2026 CX-50 and something becomes immediately apparent. This doesn't look like a mainstream compact SUV. The design language is sophisticated and mature, with proportions that lean more toward premium than economy. Wide fenders give it a planted stance. The front end features narrow LED headlights and a prominent grille that looks aggressive without being overdone. From the side, the CX-50 appears longer and lower than typical compact crossovers. 18-inch wheels are standard on most trims, with 20-inch alloys available on top models. Most people spend an hour or more in their vehicle every single day, so that environment better feel like somewhere you actually want to be. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused, with the infotainment screen angled toward whoever's behind the wheel. Materials throughout the cabin feel upscale. Soft touch surfaces replace hard plastics, and the fit and finish is exceptional. Panel gaps are tight. Buttons and knobs have a satisfying, precise feel. Attention to detail sets the CX-50 apart. Even base models get a leather-wrapped shifter and steering wheel. This level of refinement is what you'd expect from Acura or Lexus, not a mainstream brand. Of course, a beautiful interior means nothing if you can't fit your family or your gear, so let's talk about the practical side. Passenger and cargo space. Space inside the 2026 CX-50 is competitive with segment leaders, though it's not class-leading in every measurement. Front seat passengers get 41.7 inches of legroom, which is generous. Headroom up front is excellent. The second row offers 39.8 inches of legroom, adequate for adults on shorter trips and comfortable for kids. A 6-foot passenger can sit behind a 6-foot driver without major complaints. Behind the second row, cargo space measures 31.4 cubic feet. That's on the smaller side for a compact SUV. The Honda CR-V offers 39.3 cubic feet. Fold the rear seats down, and total cargo volume reaches 56.3 cubic feet, which is more competitive but still trails the CR-V's 76.5 cubic feet. The CX-50 prioritizes style and driving dynamics over maximum cargo capacity. The payoff is a vehicle that looks better and handles better than boxier rivals. But if you regularly haul large items or need maximum cargo flexibility, this might not be the right choice. Now, the cargo space might not lead the segment, but if you think that matters when you're taking this thing off the beaten path, wait until you see what Mazda did with the capability. Off-road performance. Most compact SUVs are crossovers in name only, with all-wheel drive that's optimized for snow and rain, but useless on actual trails. The 2026 CX-50 is different, offering surprisingly legitimate off-road capability. Ground clearance on standard models is competitive, but the Meridian Edition takes things further with all-terrain tires and off-road-oriented features. Getting stuck on a forest road or unable to reach a campsite because your crossover can't handle basic terrain is frustrating. The MyDrive system includes sport and off-road modes, allowing drivers to optimize the vehicle's behavior for different conditions. Off-road mode adjusts throttle response, transmission shift points, and traction control to maximize grip on loose surfaces. The all-wheel drive system is sophisticated, using sensors to detect wheel slip and redirect power accordingly. It reacts quickly, keeping the CX-50 moving forward when conditions get challenging. Hill descent control comes standard on certain trims, maintaining a steady speed on steep downhill sections. All this capability and luxury sounds expensive, but here's where Mazda's pricing strategy might surprise you. Pricing and trim levels. Mazda restructured the CX-50 lineup for 2026, making the range easier to understand while improving value. Pricing starts at approximately $30,000 for the base Select trim, which includes the naturally aspirated engine, standard all-wheel drive, 10.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless smartphone integration, and Mazda's complete suite of safety features. That starting price undercuts many competitors when you factor in that rivals charge extra for all-wheel drive. The preferred trim adds around $1,400 and brings a panoramic moonroof, heated front seats, power rear liftgate, and an 8-way power driver's seat. The new Meridian Edition sits around $32,000 with the base engine or $43,000 with the turbo. This outdoor-focused trim includes all-terrain tires, distinctive styling elements, and exclusive color options. The premium trim, priced near $34,000 with the base engine, adds ventilated front seats, a Bose audio system, and advanced driver assistance features. This is the sweet spot for many buyers, balancing features and price effectively. Turbo models start around $36,500, bringing the powerful 256 horsepower engine, paddle shifters, signature LED headlights, and increased towing capacity. The top-tier Turbo Premium Plus reaches about $45,000 with features like a 360-degree camera system and emergency lane keeping. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 stands out because it refuses to follow the industry trend of simplification and cost-cutting. With 3 distinct powertrains, Mazda is giving people actual choice in a segment where choice has disappeared. Standard all-wheel drive across the entire lineup, premium interior materials that rival luxury brands, legitimately capable off-road performance in Meridian trims, and pricing that starts under $30,000 make this crossover a genuine value proposition. The CX-50 isn't perfect, but it delivers where it matters most: driving engagement, build quality, and powertrain diversity that rivals can hardly match. Also, don't forget that Mazda has just released the completely redesigned CX-5, which you can check out in our next video. If you're leaning towards something more elegant and less rugged with a tech-loaded interior, then the new generation of the CX-5 is the right choice for you. The new model kept the most important features of the previous generation, but upgraded them with new aesthetics, more passenger space, and the largest infotainment screen Mazda has ever installed.